Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Klone Scents Clone Perfume Store. So, you might be wondering what is Klone Scents here that you may be hearing or seeing online. Now, Klone Scents is an online fragrance store that specializes in designer-inspired perfumes. Now, instead of selling the original luxury fragrance here, the company creates scents that are inspired by popular designer perfumes while offering them at lower price. Now, according to the official website here, the fragrances are made with high perfume oil concentrations and are designed to provide long-lasting wear. Now, with the company stating that many of its scents can last over 12 hours. Now, the store offers a wide range of fragrance for both men and women. Now, some of its best-selling scents are inspired by well-known luxury perfumes such as Baccarat Rouge 540, like Louis Vuitton, Imagination, Creed, Aventus, and Ombre Nomad. Now, individual bottles are typically priced at around $39.99, while bundles deals can reduce the cost to around like $26 per bottle. When purchasing 3 bottles, or $24 per bottle and purchasing 5. Now, the website also frequently runs buy two get one free promotions and includes a 30-day money back guarantee. Now, using the fragrance is the same as any standard perfume here. Now, official instructions recommend applying one spray on each wrist and one spray to your neck or clothing, then allowing the fragrance to dry naturally without rubbing it to the skin. If you prefer a stronger scent here, you can apply 1 or 2 additional sprays on your pulse points or even lightly onto your hair. Now, if you want to purchase from them, you can just go to their official website, and it works like any kind of purchasing website. You just need to add those items into your cart, and once you've added them, you can go and click on checkout here and provide your payment details and your delivery. Now, from here, once you provide everything, you can go and just confirm this by choosing or entering your cart payment details and clicking on the complete purchase option. And that's essentially it. Now, that's how Clone Scents actually works, and it offers fragrances inspired by luxury designer perfumes while focusing on providing similar scent profiles at a lower price point. Now, if you're interested in purchasing from Clone Scents here, doing your own research is always recommended. Looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.